I'm going to show you how you can sell any image that you want to sell on the blockchain using this tool called LimeWire. You can use AI to generate any image. I've generated all these images with AI, and if you want to publish and sell one, I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. But before we get into that, I'll be really brief and just give you an overview of what this is that we're going to be using. It's called LimeWire, and on LimeWire you can sell any image that you want. You can get that traded for any sort of crypto, and what you do is you go there, publish your image, and then right here you can go and you can sell and buy images right here. So if you go, it says 197 users own this, so you can go here, buy, sell, share, and then you can even make money from advertising. So if you go here, go to AI Studio, hit generate, you can generate images with this prompt right here. Or you can go ahead and you can do this thing where you can go and you can upscale an image, upload it into here, and then hit generate image. That'll push it through the upscaler through this algorithm, and that's where you can go and you can take an image, anything like this is just some crazy thing of Trump holding some baby monkeys, right? Like something I cooked up, right? Okay, cool. I can publish that, and then what you do is you would say Trump holding baby monkeys, right? And so that can immediately go public, and I can say which blockchain do I want to sell it on. I could say any of these, so I'll just say I'll put it on Polygon, right? And I can even do like an announcement post, and I can hit publish now. Boom, that goes out. Now if people want to buy that, they can go here. Since it's listed for sale, I can say, okay, let me go and list that for $500, right? And I'll list that for sale. Boom, done. And there we go. And I'll just go ahead and throw that a like. I own this. And then this is kind of similar to NFTs, but in a way, what this is it's more like a stock photo, because if you buy it, you can see right here, you can go save as, and then you can have a copy of it, and you can basically have the, you know, that you have the ownership, you have the copyright to be able to, you know, use this for, you know, marketing or whatever types of things you want to do. And ultimately, it's a way to monetize all the AI images that you're generating. If you want to do this, check out the links below. It'll explain everything. I wanted to make this video really short and to the point. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.